And welcome back, YouTube. This is BoosterBoxBuster with another video. Today, we're going to be building another Yu-Gi-Oh! Model kit. This one is focused on Dragon Zombie. Probably one of the more obscure monsters, and honestly a very odd choice because as far as I could tell, they never made any other Dragon Zombie merchandise from the Mattel years, which is really odd because usually for every model kit that they've done, they also made one of the small miniatures or a standard size action figure. But for this one, this is the only piece of Dragon Zombie merchandise that I could find made by Mattel. So that's just very odd to me that they would make just one model kit out of Dragon Zombie, but no other sort of merchandise. Of course, Dragon Zombie is the zombified version of, I believe, Crawling Dragon, which is another normal monster from back in the day. Without further introduction, let's get into this. I do have to be careful because the box seems to have suffered some water damage over time. And I did pre-open this just to make sure the box was okay to open. Alright, that's everything. Just carefully put that there. Let's take a look. So it looks like we got the wings. Some fleshy part. Some of the claws. Looks like the main part of the body where the bones start to poke through. The jaw. Not quite sure what that is. More parts of the legs. The tail. And of course, the head itself. Once again, probably some part to connect the head and the jaw. As you can tell, these instructions have seen better days. So, we're going to start building the head. So we need the top and the bottom part of the head and the two connectors, which looks like they connect them. Holy cow. There we go. Probably should be wearing gloves, to be honest. Because everything looks like it's soaked in ink. Just hope it's not black mold. If so, hey, wow, look at that. Was this in a fire or something? Holy cow. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that. Alright, so we want to go the meaty looking part, which I think is the tongue, to the front, the square piece to the back. Okay, which is probably the head body connector. Does it matter which way it goes? I don't think so, although is that going to be an issue? I hope not. Actually, that might be perfectly set like that on purpose. The large part goes on the inside. Okay. Just needed to verify. Oh, wait. With the groove part, I think, facing down. Tongue goes in here. Come on. There we go. And this should snap on right like this. To kind of readjust that, there we go. Tongue stays in, and we snap. We snap. Oh, okay. I'm dumb. Ugh. I actually want the groove to go on top, because that's where the groove for the... I didn't realize that the top part had a groove. Okay. Now we snap it down. Perfect. Alright. Head of the zombie dragon. Then we want to build the body. We need the two fleshy pieces. Okay. Just snap that off like that. You fleshy piece. Please. Alright, so then all I have to do is put them together, right? I don't have to put the head in or anything? No, okay. So yeah, just figure out the way that they go together, just like this, and you snap down. Okay, pretty simple. Looks like the head's going to slide right in there. And then we want the tail pieces. Oh, that's not a tail. That's a tail. Okay. Okay, so then we assemble the tail. Which goes like this. Nope. Yeah, it should. Just have to remove the little pieces, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, cool. And then, oh, this goes in. It should go in like this, right? Perfect. Look at that. We got the zombie dragon tail. Okay, next part we move to building the legs. And then we assemble everything together. Okay, cool. This is one of the easier model kits, not gonna lie. Everything, and I'm surprised, everything is actually fitting together real smooth. Of course, now that I say that, I just jinxed myself. You know, maybe somebody actually dug this up from a grave with how frickin' dirty it is. Because it is dirty. I mean, just look at my hands. Holy Toledo. Which is a town in Ohio. I know that because of football. Oh, this is... no. Maybe the piece came off of that one. Okay, cool. Alright. I gotta say, the Dragon Zombie, not a very memorable monster, but does have a pretty cool design. Not gonna lie. Pretty cool design. Alright. Let's get this. Come on, come on. Ah, fuck, I think I put it in the wrong way. Nope, nope, I did not. Wait a minute. Did I put it in the wrong one? Doesn't matter. Let me check, see if I might have put it in the wrong one. Because it doesn't quite look... Okay, yep, I did. I put it on the wrong hole. Alright. Look at that. We got some feet. Now, for the assembly of the dragon itself. First, we have to put on the head. Beautiful. And then we have to put on the feet. I would not go there? Or wait, no, is it this one? Feels... Okay, that's way too loose. You can't go here. That'd be backwards dragon. Huh, just a tight fit. There we go. And this one goes here to represent its crawling animation. And then this one goes on the back side, just like that. Oh, let me remove the little tag here. And then this one goes right here. I gotta say, this model kit, for how dirty it is, actually fits together stupid nicely. The crawling dragon, I mean zombie dragon, I mean crawling zombie dragon. It's actually pretty cool looking. I like it. Yeah, I mean, the head's a bit loose, but I mean, it's a zombie, so at least it's understandable. So at least that could be part of the gimmick. Be like, oh yeah, it has a loose head, but you know, it's a zombie, so zombies are falling apart anyway. There's the tail, and then all I need to do is assemble the wings. So what do you think caused all this dirt on this model kit? My money says either a fire or water damage. And then we just have to assemble the wings to complete our zombie dragon. This side or this side? I think it's this side. Of course, there's always one part that doesn't want to work. Never get the right angle for these, because I have it right? Yeah, it goes like that. Hokey part goes like this. Yeah, that's right. Just had to confirm with myself. Okay, there we go. That one went in super easy. I don't know why the other one was such a pain. And that completes, my friends, the zombie dragon from Yugioh. I gotta say, this is a pretty dang cool model. Probably not my favorite. I still like Gate Guardian, but really cool model nonetheless. Really a lot of detail. I love how the bones are starting to poke through here, through the flesh. The teeth are... The face is actually really well done. I like all the detail on the face. Pretty cool. Very monochrome color on this side, but this side, if you display it with this side facing, facing this way, you get all that flesh, all that gruesomeness. Just a really cool figure overall. And I think that about does it for this video. I really need to wash my hands. This is BoosterBoxBuster, and I'm signing out. Peace.